I'm vlogging today. Caffeinated, unvaccinated, and ready to ride. Still got bedhead, but I'm about to have helmet hair in a second, so that's alright. Okay, now we go. Quick stop for some lunch, and we're gonna do a bike tour around the island.
Delicious.
So good. Okay, we're gonna eat no bike. Okay, now we're going to the beach. Alan Davis Beach. Got a nice little spot to jump off of over there. Oh! Almost a good spot to jump off right here. So we started off in Oahu and then ate lunch in Honolulu. And now we're over by Alan Davis Beach. So we're making our way all the way around the island. So should we take this road and see how far it goes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he coming? There he is. Oh, shit. Damn.
I don't recommend riding on the sand. Oh shit, that was fun.
Quick pit stop in. I don't even know what beach this is. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna write the name right there. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Back on the road. This thing on. I think I underestimated the time it takes because we're like maybe halfway, and we got like maybe 30 minutes of sunlight left. So we're gonna have to take a shortcut home. This camera's about to die. My other camera ran out of memory. Can't fly my drone because I can't fly and ride the motorcycle at the same time. I tried to like make it work, but I couldn't get it to stay on the handlebars, so I ordered a little mount for that because it was making me so frustrated. And the poke spot's closed, so I'm having some fish. That's the update. Sun is down. We are starting the journey back. There's no more sunlight, so we are taking the short way back, which is still 45 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'm in my room, took a shower. The ride back was cold. We didn't make it all the way around the island. We kind of had to cut it short because we ran out of daylight. But I'm going to bed. Tomorrow is move out day, so I will see you bright and early.